Hello friends, welcome in RKG Biology tutorial. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about nervous tissue. See first about the neurology. Neurology is the study of nervous system including the sense organs, receptor organ, sensory organs. So it include sensory organs, that is the receptor organs, and nervous system. Okay, and this nervous system is made up of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system, that is the brain and spinal cord. Spinal cord. And peripheral nervous system means all the nerve cells of body together make the peripheral nervous system. This nervous system made up of nervous tissue. Nervous tissue. And that nervous tissue have two types of cells. One is the neuron or nerves. Neuron or nerve cell. Nerve cells. And second type of cells, that is the glia cells. So two type of cells, that is the neuron and nerve cell and glia cell, make the nervous tissue, and that nervous tissue make the nervous system, that is the central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system. And nervous tissue, nerve cells, they are ectodermal. Ectodermal in origin. Ectodermal in origin. And nerve cells are produced during the embryonal stage of the life, and after birth they do not multiply or divide. And nerve cells considered as the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Nerve cells considered as the impulse generating and impulse conducting unit. क्लियर? सबसे पहले प्रिमिटिव टाइप का नर्वस सिस्टम अपीयर हुआ इन द फाइलम सिलेंटरेटा, जिसको हम निडेरिया बोलते हैं. क्लियर? तो सबसे पहला जो प्रिमिटिव टाइप का नर्वस सिस्टम है वो फाइलम सिलेंट्रेटा में अपीयर हुआ. जो नर्व सेल है ये स्टिमुलस को, इंपल्स को डिटेक्ट कर सकता है, उसको ट्रांसमिट कर सकता है, कंडक्ट कर सकता है, रिसीव कर सकता है और इंपल्स को जनरेट कर सकता है. क्लियर? सो दैट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ नर्व सेल्स. And nerve cells is also different types on the basis of structure, on the basis of origin place, on the basis of function, on the basis of myelin sheath. Clear? So first we are going to discuss about the structure of neuron or nerve cell. Clear? See here. So these are the thin, small, hair-like, thread-like fibers, and they are known as dendrites. इनको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Dendrites or dendrons. Dendrons. It is a type of nerve fiber. Clear? Like this. Okay. And another type of nerve fiber, that is known as the axon. This is the long nerve fiber known as the axon. So two type of nerve fiber, that is dendrites and axon. And this whole part is known as the cyton. Cyton or cell body or perikaryon. Perikaryon. Okay. Cyton, cell body or perikaryon. Or we can say it is known as the soma. Okay. And it contains the cytoplasm. And here cytoplasm means neuroplasm. Neuroplasm. Because nerve cell is a special type of cell. And in the soma, there is a centrally placed nucleus. So this is a nucleus. And this nucleus surrounded by many small granular structures like this. These are the granular structures which surround the nucleus. And this structure known as, this granule-like structure known as Nissls granules. Nissls granules. And these Nissl granules are actually rough endoplasmic reticulum. And they are rich in ribosomes and RNA. And they involve in protein synthesis. प्रोटीन के फॉर्मेशन में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. Okay. And here, so this is the dendrites, one type of fiber, and these dendrites carry the nerve impulses from the other neuron. So the direction of transmission of nerve impulse toward the cyton. Dendrites क्या करता है? ये नर्व इंपल्स को दूसरे न्यूरॉन से रिसीव करेगा और साइटॉन की तरफ ट्रांसमिट कर देगा. क्लियर? सो द dendrites carry the nerve impulses from other neuron to the cyton. Okay. And here in the dendrites there is also the presence of Nissl granules. And in the cytoplasm, neuroplasm of the soma, cyton, there are many cell organelles present, cytoplasm present, centrally placed nucleus present, and that one surrounded by the Nissl granule. And the other type of nerve fiber, that is known as the axon. This is the axon. And this axon is the longest type of fiber of the nerve cell. And it is surrounded by protein and lipid layer, and that is known as the myelin sheath. Myelin sheath, like this. Clear? And this myelin sheath is not continuous. So this is the myelin sheath, and this myelin sheath made up of protein and lipid. Myelin sheath provide insulation and protection to the nerve cell. नर्व सेल को इंसुलेशन और प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है माइलिन sheath. और ये माइलिन sheath प्रोड्यूस होता है फ्रॉम द Schwann cells. These are the Schwann cells, and these Schwann cells are actually a type of glia cells. Okay. So Schwann cells secretes the myelin sheath. These are the Schwann cells. Okay. So these are the Schwann cells, and these Schwann cells secrete the myelin sheath. Okay. And the fluid inside the axon known as the exoplasm. इस फ्लूइड को क्या बोलेंगे हम? Exoplasm. Okay, and this exoplasm do not have the micelle granules. See here, this axon carry the nerve impulse in this direction. That means from cyton to the other neuron. जो एक्सॉन है वो नर्व इंपल्स को कैरी करता है साइटॉन से दूसरे न्यूरॉन तक. दूसरे न्यूरॉन तक मतलब अप टू द सिनेप्स. कहां तक कैरी करेगा? सिनेप्स तक. Synapse we know it is a physiological junction or microscopic gap present between two neuron or nerve cell, and it carry the nerve impulse from cyton to the motor end plate. Motor end plate or neuromuscular junction. Neuromuscular junction. क्लियर? तो जो एक्सॉन है वो नर्व इंपल्स को साइटॉन से सिनेप्स तक कैरी करता है या मोटर इंड प्लेट या न्यूरोमस्कुलर जंक्शन तक. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं यहाँ पे कि ये जो टर्मिनल एंड है एक्सॉन का ये इस तरह से ब्रांच्ड हो जाता है. ठीक है, इस तरह से दे हैव मेनी ब्रांच्ड स्ट्रक्चर एंड दीज नोन एज द nerve ending. Nerve ending. ओके, और इस नर्व एंडिंग पे इस तरह से बल्ब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट होते हैं और इन्हीं बल्ब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर को हम बोलते हैं सिनेप्टिक नोब. सिनेप्टिक नोब और सिनेप्टिक बटन. सिनेप्टिक नोब या सिनेप्टिक बटन और टर्मिनल बटन. और ये सिनेप्टिक नोब सिनेप्टिक वेसिकल से फिल्ड अप होते हैं. सिनेप्टिक वेसिकल कंटेन करते हैं. सपोज ये एक सिनेप्टिक नोब है तो इसके अंदर सिनेप्टिक वेसिकल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं इस तरह से, और ये सिनेप्टिक वेसिकल्स फिल्ड अप होते हैं न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर एसिटिलकोलिन या एड्रेनालिन से. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर like the acetylcholine or adrenaline, and this is the synaptic vesicle. Synaptic vesicles. Clear? Vesicles. Okay, so this is the structure of nerve cell. Here one thing, this axon carry the nerve impulse. तो जब nerve impulse transmit होता है through the axon, that mean through this axolemma. इस membrane को क्या बोलेंगे हम? एक्सोलेमा. तो ये जो हो गया है, रुक जाओ. See this gap where there is no myelin sheath. इस गैप को जहां पे माइलिन शीथ नहीं है इसको बोलते हैं हम नोड ऑफ रैनवियर. दैट मीन जो माइलिन शीथ है ये इंटरप्टेड होता है एट द सर्टेन इंटरवल, एंड दिस साइट इज नोन एज द नोड ऑफ रैनवियर. तो जो नर्व इंपल्स है वो एक नोड ऑफ रैनवियर से दूसरे नोड ऑफ रैनवियर पे जंप करता है और इसी को बोलते हैं हम साल्टेटरी कंडक्शन. Okay, so this is about the nerve cell. I request please subscribe, like, share, comment the videos.